live in a time when everything was made easier for all of us.
Okay.
When information is on the tips of our fingers.
To the right of the door.
And all possibilities are endless.
Thanks to information technology, we can do anything, but there's always two sides of the coin. Although IT was made to guide human beings in their everyday lives, it is as much help as it is a source of destruction. As some people say, IT is a gift of fire. The main purpose of social media is to break borders and connect people from all around the world. But most people today are addicted to their devices and technology in such a way that they are losing humanity. Human beings are losing the ability to engage with other people. They turn to their phones and laptops instead of having meaningful conversations with each other. And I think it's time for all of us to unplug.